So what exactly is blended learning?
Blended learning is a mixture between traditional and digital learning. So what's great about it is, let's say you're in English class and it's first period and you have to write a paper. Well, we're not always ready to write right away. We're not always creative at that point in time. So if it was a digital learning day, instead of having to do that work right then, you could do it in the library. You could do it before school. You could do it after school. So blended learning is a combination of traditional teaching and other digital learning that's put together. And when you're putting them together, that's where the term blended learning comes from.
So who would be a good candidate for blended learning courses?
A good candidate is someone who wants some flexibility in their learning. It's someone who is able to work and complete things on time. Blended learning is great because it helps personalize their learning. It's not only when to do it, but it's how it's done.
So I'm not sure I fully understand. What exactly would this look like?
So let's think about a math class. If you're going to have a test in a couple days, the day before, traditionally it's usually a review that is done. The teacher could say, okay, these students here are doing really, really well with their skills. They can have a digital learning day. So they can go and they can do the review on their own. They could then say, these students need help with these specific skills. And that teacher could then work with those students in a small group in order to help them review to prepare their skills for the test the next day.
So does that mean I would always be in class?
Not necessarily. You would have at least 50% of the time where you're in a traditional classroom with your teacher. And then up to 50%, usually about 2 days a week, is when you'd have the digital learning experiences. If you're not going to be in the classroom for those experiences, you can go to the LRC or any other spaces that are designated for collaboration in the school, but you'd still be in the school. You would not necessarily have to check in with your teacher or be in the physical classroom.
Oh, that makes sense. Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm interested. Now what?
You're going to get a handout from your teacher if you choose. Ask your teacher for it. You're going to bring it home. You're going to fill it out. Make sure you put, if you're going to East, you're going to put, if you're choosing Algebra 1 or Contemporary World Issues Honors. If you're going to North, your only option is Algebra 1. You're going to pick which classes you want to take. You're going to fill out your grade, your name, all of your information. You sign it and your parents sign it. And it needs to be turned into your teachers by Tuesday, April 9th.